Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the auxiliary water pump on this 1993 Volkswagen T4. Now what is this pump for? Well, since the main water pump is driven by the serpentine belt, this electric auxiliary water pump will send hot coolant into the heater core regardless of the engine's RPMs, and therefore you will always get hot air into the cabin even when the engine is idling. Also, many modern cars uses this second coolant pump to allow you to use the air condition up to 30 minutes with the engine off. Alright, so on this car we have to remove the bottom engine cover, which is held on by 13mm bolts. Then you will find the auxiliary water pump quite exposed and easy to access. In this situation the pump was leaking at the beginning, then it broke completely and I had to use an emergency pipe joint to connect back those two hoses so I can get the car running again until the new pump arrived. So since this pump is not crucial for the engine to run, you can just connect those two coolant hoses together, and one tip is to use a metal joint, not a plastic one, since the plastic can melt or bend and the coolant could leak again. Now to remove the old pump you can drain the coolant or you can use vice pliers to stop the coolant. This is how much I set the vice pliers to squeeze the hose. Then use some pliers and remove those two hose clamps. Pop off the electric connector and the old pump will come out. There we go. Now inspect the rubber bracket, which is important since it protects the pump from vibrations. In my situation I will use tape and zip tie to keep it in position. Then I will slide the new pump into the bracket, align the hoses and slide them on the pump. Press in the electric connector and the new auxiliary water pump is on. Finally you can remove the vice pliers. Start the engine, turn the air condition on and inspect the new pump for leaks. Alright guys, the new auxiliary water pump looks good. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.